In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automatic discounts on Shopify. If you've ever wanted your store to apply a discount without requiring customers to type a code, this is for you. Automatic discounts help boost conversions by showing savings right at checkout, and they're quick to set up. You'll just need access to your Shopify admin. First, head to shopify.com and click Login. Once you're in your admin, look to the left-hand panel and click Discounts. This is your command center for all promotions, both automatic and code-based. Next, click Create Discount. You'll see several discount types. For this tutorial, we're using Amount Off Products, which lets you take a specific dollar amount or percentage off selected items. It's great for product level sales without affecting the entire order. Under Method, choose Automatic Discount. This tells Shopify to apply the discount automatically when your conditions are met, with no code required from the customer. Now give your discount a clear, recognizable title. Customers may see the name in their cart or at checkout, so keep it simple and descriptive. Set the discount value. Choose between a percentage or a fixed amount, then enter the value you want. Make sure the number makes sense for your margins and the products you've selected. Decide which products this discount applies to. You can apply it to all products, specific collections, or individual items. If you're running a focused promotion, choose just the products or collections that fit your campaign. Next, adjust the customer eligibility. You can make this available to all customers or restrict it to specific customer segments, such as returning customers or members of a particular group. Use this to tailor promotions to your audience. Set the minimum purchase requirements. You can require a minimum order amount or a minimum quantity of items. If you don't need a threshold, leave this blank. Choose whether this discount can be used with other discounts. Some promotions combine well, others should stand alone to protect your margins. Shopify will follow the rules you set here during checkout. Set the active dates so you control when the discount starts and ends. Scheduling is useful for weekend sales or launches. Double check your time zone to avoid early or late activations. When everything looks right, click Save. Your automatic discount is now ready, and Shopify will apply it whenever a cart meets your criteria. Keep in mind that Shopify typically allows only one automatic discount to be active at a time, so plan your promotions accordingly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Shopify tutorials.